Put a sanitary towel on your feet, and you will be surprised by the result. We all know the use that women give sanitary towels. But today I will teach you a trick that you need to know. It is very easy to do. You will not spend almost anything, and you will get incredible results. If you are one of those people who tend to have calluses, fungi, or hardness in the feet, you will never have this trick again. So pay attention that I already show you the trick. The first thing you should do is take a sanitary towel of the brand you prefer and take it out of the package. Now I will reserve it because we will use it later. In a container like this, we will start by adding a tablespoon of toothpaste. You can use the brand you prefer. Toothpaste is ideal to remove bacteria, calluses, and hard skin from our feet. Next, we will add a tablespoon of sodium bicarbonate. Bicarbonate is an antibacterial and is very good for removing bad smells. After mixing everything very well as I am doing, we will need a sanitary towel. Now we are going to take the sanitary towel that we already had saved, and with the help of a spoon, we put the mixture all over the towel so that it is well uniform, just as I am doing. Take advantage and let me know where you are watching us from, so I can send you a special greeting. Today's greeting is for Maria Ayala from Argentina. I send you a big hug and I thank you for always watching our videos. Once all the mixture is applied, we wait for the towel to absorb it until it is completely dry. When the towel has dried and looks like mine, we proceed to remove the glue and plastics from the back. Then we take a clean sock and turn it around. Now we stick the towel on the inside of the sock, just as I show you. Once this is done, we turn it around and proceed to put it on the feet. Make sure that the towel is well placed and has not bent when you put your feet in. Now all that remains is to put on the shoes. By doing this, you will feel an incredible coolness in the feet. It is super comfortable to use, and while you do your daily chores, it will remove the fungi, the calluses, the hardness, and the bad smell of the feet. In addition, it also helps to remove the athlete's foot. Do the test, and I assure you that you will be surprised.
El pie de atleta. Haz la prueba y te aseguro que te sorprenderá.